What's going on with guys? Welcome to another episode of Quick Learn, and in today's episode I will teach you how to create a group on Telegram. So let's get it started. So first of all, click these three lines right here in the top left corner. Then right there you will see an option to create a new group right here. Just click that and that's it. You can now add any members you want on this group if you like it. So after you add all of your members, just click this arrow right here and it will create you the group. Oh wait, we need also to provide the group name, and that's it. You can also turn on and off the auto delete message, and if you're done, just click again the arrow button and that's it. You already made your group and you can now message your group if you want. And that's it. That's how you make a group on Telegram. And also, that's it for today's episode. If you want more to this channel, please like this video, click the notification bell, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.